I'm about to show you how to solve one of the biggest challenges you face as a business owner, coach, entrepreneur, marketing manager, or anyone looking for short-form content. If you're struggling to keep up with the ever-changing world of content creation, you know how hard it is to strategize, script, edit, and repurpose your content effectively across multiple platforms. It can feel nearly impossible to do it all while ensuring your content strategy is on point, right? Let's be frank, it is tough to develop engaging content ideas, nailing the right hooks, crafting scripts that grab attention, and editing it into high-quality videos that speak to your audience. And even if you manage to create that content, how do you ensure it's going to work across Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and all other platforms? That's where we come in. At Frankly Marketing, we make content creation simple, strategic, and scalable. We help you turn just one day of filming into months of high-impact, short-form content optimized for every platform. We don't just create content, we repurpose it into videos, blogs, social media updates, newsletters, and more. Our clients have seen massive success, millions of views, more followers, and significant boosts in traffic to their website. We're not just talking about numbers, we're talking about a strategic approach that turns your brand into a content powerhouse. With our focus on creativity, transparency, and staying ahead of trends using AI tools, we help you achieve real growth that makes a difference. Here's exactly what you'll get when you work with us. We'll film with you for one day, and in that day, we'll create 3 to 6 months worth of content for your brand. This includes short-form videos with 1 to 2 posts per day, tailored to your goals, optimized for every platform. And we don't just stop there. We'll also repurpose your content into newsletters, blogs, and other social media posts, amplifying your reach across every channel. This is how we turn a single day of filming into a content strategy that keeps your brand visible and engaging long after the camera stops rolling. Imagine getting 3 to 6 months of content created in just one day of filming. We'll handle everything from ideas, scripting, editing, and SEO optimization, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. You'll walk away with a vault of high-quality content ready to post, designed to reach your audience and generate more engagement. Don't wait to take your brand to the next level. Click the link below to book a free strategy session with us so we can talk about how we can turn your voice, vision, and expertise into content that drives real growth. With Frankly Marketing, you'll get more content, views, followers, and traffic to your site. We focus on turning your ideas into engaging content that amplifies your brand's voice, reaches more people, and delivers measurable results. We're not just creating content, we're creating opportunities. So let me ask you this, what are you waiting for? Let's make your content work as hard as you do. Click below to start, and let's take your brand to new heights together.